Happy Sunday morning, guys. Happy Sunday morning. Welcome back to my channel. Both old and new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Now I'm going to make some carrots patties. Sunday morning breakfast. So here you see I'm peeling the carrots. So I'm going to peel them, wash them, grate them, and place them in a bowl. So I'm grating them. Place them in a bowl, in a glass bowl with 1 egg, 2 spoons of corn flour. Here is the flour. Then I'm gonna put 1 cup of cheese. This is lactose free cheese. So if he's a vegan, you can have this cheese. Then I'm putting on 1 of my own homemade seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. And I combine everything together. 1 pinch of salt for taste. You're gonna get your parchment paper. You're gonna place some oil on the bottom of the parchment paper before you spread your cheese and carrot patties on to bake. So guys, I thought I would bake them for 22 minutes, but it takes me longer. Takes half an hour to bake. So after spreading it out on the paper, the parchment paper in your baking tray, gas mark 4 for 20 minutes. Bake until golden brown. Then you're going to get some greens of your choice. This is leafy greens I'm going to cut up for my toppings. And here you go, guys. They baked. And guys, you can turn them over while baking to get the bottom of your patties, your carrot patties, crispy. Now you're gonna spread some. This is lactose spread cheese on top. No, I did make this cheese. That's it. It called spreadable soft cheese. Then I'm gonna place my greens on top. So these greens you can use callaloo, cabbage, or any leafy greens that you want. Then I'm gonna place some avocado on top. Guys, this is so delicious. Very delicious. This one is. I would give myself 10 out of 10 for this breakfast. Natural, healthy breakfast. And here I'm tasting it to see if it is perfect. And it is. It was. Perfect combination. Well thought about. And I'm going to make myself a cup of orange leaf tea to go with it. So just place some. Don't throw away your orange peel, guys. You're going to place it in a jar with some hot water, 2 spoons of honey. This is a natural tea in the morning where you can have with your breakfast. Guys, thanks for watching. You make my day. Please subscribe, share. We can do all food in all ways. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.